How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, nice to meet you. Do you want to go back further just to be
Back or forward, either which way you want.
I would say go back just so you clear the lines. It's not much further. That should be good. Oh, it's beautiful. Nice and black. This is 10 yards.
So we've got some plants to install right along the front of the barn and over by the garage. Over here is a low spot right next to this beautiful soil. We're going to take care of that. And then going around the back of the barn, here is another low spot. This is where I had a shed that I took out. Hey, thanks for joining us. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it.
Okay, got it leveled out and a rough rake on it. So now we'll go with the spreader and get some seed on it. Seed, rake, seed, and fertilizer, just like the back. Let's talk about grass seed. I'm going to be using this old broadcast spreader. I'm not even sure what to set it at. I'm just going to play around with it. It's not that big of an area. As far as seed goes, you know, you can do all this work, and if you go and you buy some discount seed, some name brands too, that you find at the big black store, If you've had any luck with them, you're a better man than me, because I haven't. Here's what I'm using. So we have a sod farm just down the street. It's called Lakeside Sod. And this is what they call their professional mix. It's actually a sport mix. It has rye and bluegrass in it, so it'll blend nicely, because I got a bunch of different grasses in here. I've used it before, worked fantastic. This is what I'm going to be putting down. Again, don't skimp on grass seeds. I mean, I'll just say it. I have tried Scott's the Rapid Grow that I guess any idiot's supposed to be able to do. You can basically grow it on concrete. I watered it. It's supposed to come with a starter fertilizer, which I am using also. And this is the Anderson's starter fertilizer. It's a 2021-5. I used it before and had good luck. Don't skimp on the seed. It's just not worth it. You're going to be redoing it. All right, now I'm going to go around with the seed again, and then after that do the starter fertilizer. We're not baking a wedding cake here. I'm just trying to get grass to grow. It'll grow. And again, I'm keeping my rows kind of close, so it's putting it down good and thick, which is what I want. So take a look at this. You want to see how good this seed does that I was showing you earlier? This right here, it's almost all Kentucky Blue. There's a little bit of ryegrass in it. I put this down last fall after the barn was finished. I've not overseeded, nothing to it at all. Works great. If I get those same results in the back of the barn and the low spot in the front, I'll be happy. All right, now let's put down the starter fertilizer. This is fantastic. This is actually made by Scott's. It's a little handheld, battery operated spreader, and I use it if I'm doing a little patch of grass, or I could have actually done what I just did with the bigger spreader. I'll put down the starter fertilizer with this, and then we're going to move on to the front. You know, again, I'm not sure about the calibration on this. We'll see how it goes. It's actually pretty good. And after, I swear, 4 years, I've got a dead battery. Let me change that out. Yeah, so like I said, I mean, I guess I shouldn't be surprised, because I've never put batteries in this before.
Beautiful.
All right, so now we've got seed in the spreader. This is, if you look back a couple videos ago, you'll see where I did a review on the Shapen spreader. It works great. Works absolutely great. I got it set on 3. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I've got enough to do, I don't know, about 10 to 15,000 square feet. And we got rain coming, so that's good. is the finished product here in the back. Got the sprinklers going. As I said, we're supposed to get some rain tonight. And good news, they've been going for a while. I don't see any puddling, so hopefully we're satisfactory as far as leveling. And then in the front, Brian got the new bushes in, and I think they look good. These are holly, and this is a kind of a golden arborvitae, but it's a dwarf because I hate arborvitaes. And here we are on the side that we leveled, and I think it's gonna be just fine. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on Tractors and Life.